If you're watching RT Life, make sure you watch the ads, because he needs the money. This is my 5.7 shaker, as RT Life explained real quick. So multiple mods. A lot of them are going to sound similar to your car because I follow your channel.
Okay.
I take your advice to heart with everything you do. So let's start at the top. So I've got the 392 intake manifold, very similar to yours. Had Steve install it. So same guy installing it.
So with the shaker and the 392, because this is interesting, were you able to keep your regular shaker? Is this your stock shaker, or did you have to get like a 392 shaker or something?
Right. So the top is the stock shaker, but if you have a shaker, you have to buy a different. I'm losing my words right now.
It goes above the manifold,
so
right? So like a holder or something?
Yeah, the holder here. You have to buy a whole different holder for it.
Okay, guys. So I mean, for those that have a shaker, a 5.7 shaker, obviously you can do the 392 intake manifold. It's just the piece in between the manifold and the shaker that needs to be upgraded. Okay.
Absolutely, and you can get them from the dealership. They're roughly about $300.
Okay. So what's your take on the 392 intake?
So I think it does give you the low end back. I'll get to the cam and the headers in a minute, but I think it does give you some of the loss from the cam and the headers. It gives you some of that low end torque back that you actually lost.
So those runners, you think are very much helping you out all throughout the RPM range.
Absolutely, and on the top end, even with the cam and the long tube headers. Up top, it would keep pulling, but you can definitely tell the difference. It pulls that much more at the top end as well.
I mean, that's what I experienced when I got the manifold. I noticed right out of the gate the performance increase from it. So okay, and you said you were a cam. So what kind of cam do you?
So I went and I bought the Scatpack Stage 2, which comes with the Comp 270 cam, and whatever else comes in the box.
So the Stage 2 cam is actually a Comp 270. Okay.
Yep. At least that's what they say it is.
Gotcha.
The first people that tuned my car were like, I'm not really sure it's a 270. It's more like 274-ish. Seemed to be a little bigger than what it was. But we worked through the tune. The first people to tune my car, they dynoed it at 427 to the wheels. And
which is healthy. That's a really nice.
Yeah. So literally, I had it done about a year before I got that done, and it was around the 340 range, roughly where you were, and I almost gained just about 100 horsepower just from long tube headers, the cam, and a tune.
That's unbelievable.
Healthy.
Yeah.
I was.
And what are you looking at with torque?
I was right around the same, just over 400 in torque as well.
Right. Okay. Very good.
So I also got the Leg Maker True Cold Air Intake, which puts the filter in the bumper.
Did you notice any kind of temperature improvements with that?
Absolutely. So coming up here, it was like 95 degrees at 8 o'clock, and my air intake was 96, 97.
So you're right there
They're
with
usually
ambient.
right
Okay.
in 1 or 2 within ambient.
Very nice.
Obviously, when you sit still, they go skyrocket. But when you're cruising, they're well within 1 or 2 degrees of ambient.
So to hop back onto the cam, how much did really, we won't go over the installation, but how much is a stage 2 cam with the, you did lifters, push rods. How much do you think it all ended up running you?
So the lifters I did afterwards, because the lifters don't come with the kit. So the kit is just the cam, like you said, the cam, the rods, seals, and a few other niceties. They don't come with the lifters. So if you do the Scatpack Stage 2, highly suggest you buy lifters and get them done at the same time. Because what happened to me is I got the car back, got it home, and everyone says the Hemi tick. This was like a Hemi sewing machine. It was like tick, 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 tick.
So it was super loud and annoying.
Super loud and annoying. So I called the people that did the install back. It was a dealership. They were awesome. They said, bring it down. We'll put them in, do it all under warranty.
So how much did that end up burning a hole in your pocket?
So the long tube headers.
No, just the cam. For those that are looking into the Stage 2. Yeah.
So the Stage 2 was, I think it was like $1,800.
Okay.
And so I had already.
And then
purchased
how much
that.
were the lifters?
The lifters were another. I got the Hellcat lifters from Jay Green. They were another $400.
So you're talking about $2,200 bucks,
$2,200.
and then plus installation.
Plus installation.
All right. Well, you spent a little bit more than me.
I think I
Very
spent
good
a lot
though.
more than you.
Yeah, but I mean, you're also putting better peak numbers out onto the ground.
I bet you we're pretty close. I would bet we're pretty close.
Okay, so I mean that's a healthy mod list for the engine. So what do you have over here with the rims and tires? Because this is obviously upgraded.
Right. So I got Demon replicas from Factory Reproductions. They're 9.5 up front, 10.5 in the back, and I got Nitto Tri-5 G2s, 275s in the front, and Nitto Tri-5 G2s, 305s in the back.
Nice. And you don't have any issues gripping or?
Absolutely, they are awesome. They are awesome.
I tell you, there's a lot of negativity around these G2s, and I just got them. I have no complaints on my end so far.
No complaints. So we went to Carlisle Nationals last weekend, the Chrysler Nationals in Carlisle, Pennsylvania, and it was Thursday night, and it was a downpour. Literally, I mean, everybody was going 25, 30 miles an hour. So if everyone's going 25, 30 miles, it's raining.
Yep.
And these held up. I mean, obviously you can't be stupid. If you're going to be stupid, nothing's going to hold.
Yeah. But these did well in poor condition. And that's the thing. Like, a lot of people, they think that they need to get drag radials in order to, get to that no spinning. And I think these are a healthy combination for those that, they need it to be a all, season kind of a thing, like, and driving bad weather.
Right. I drive my car every day to work. It's my daily driver, and I nothing but good things to say about the Nittos.
Good. And how long have you had those on for? Because I just put mine on, so I can't really give good feedback.
It's been a couple months.
Okay, so you've done quite a bit of driving with them. Okay.
Absolutely. It took me about 4 hours to get here. It was a smooth ride the whole way.
Nice. All right. Do you have an Instagram?
I do, but I'm not super big into social media. But I do have an Instagram. It's Modern Red Hemi.
Modern Red Hemi. All right, guys. So you want to go check out this build? Check out Modern Red Hemi. It's going to be in the description. And I know a lot of you guys are going to have questions about the manifold, the cam, and all that kind of good stuff. Extremely knowledgeable person. Heck of a build.